Once upon a time in a vibrant Jamaican village, there lived a boy named Dave. As a child, Dave spent his days exploring the lush, green fields surrounding his home, his heart dancing to the rhythm of reggae music and the scent of ripe mangoes. His grandmother, Auntie Jean, was a wise woman who taught him the secrets of the earth. "Respect the land, and it will reward you," she would say, her voice like honey. Fueled by dreams of a better life, Dave worked tirelessly on their small plot of land, growing everything from yams to sweet peppers. When others played in the sun, he was up before dawn, tilling the soil and nurturing his crops with love. Despite the odds, his belief in the beauty of farming never wavered. As he grew older, Dave saved every penny and eventually expanded his fields. His dedication paid off, his harvests became abundant, and soon he was selling his produce at the local market. People marveled at the quality of his fruits and vegetables, and word spread beyond the village. Years later, Dave was no longer the boy who toiled alone. He had become one of the most successful farmers in Jamaica, employing locals and introducing sustainable practices. He even started a community program, teaching young children the importance of agriculture. Under his guidance, they learned not only how to plant seeds but also about respect for nature and each other. As the sun set over the hills, casting a golden glow on his flourishing fields, Dave smiled, remembering Auntie Jean's words. He was not just a farmer, he was a guardian of the land, growing hope and prosperity for generations to come.